Hello, welcome back to Capsule Cleaners. Today we are going to clean a mattress. It has this yellow coloring stain. Your mattress sweats. When you sleep on your mattress, you sweat. So you make your mattress to sweat. That is the reason why you were supposed to flip your mattress regularly, or you remove all the bed sheets during the day, and you open the windows. You let the air come in. So we are going to clean this in a short while. So this is the process. We scrub the stain using the stain removers and everything. You see, like now, I'm going to show you. This is the place that the stain was, exactly this corner. You can see it's gone. So this is how we clean your mattress. I will show you before and after. This is after you've cleaned your mattress. So the stain is completely gone. And I'm going to show you even the other side, because those people who say that you guys normally flip the mattress and show us the cleaner part. No, we don't do that. If the stain is removable, it will get out. And if it's not removable, it's a permanent stain, then it will stay there, and we will explain to you. Thank you.